It's important to always use the right tool when measuring ingredients. Why? Because baking is a science and often requires exact measurements. There are two things to remember when measuring dry ingredients: fill and level. When filling a measuring cup with flour, use a spoon to transfer the flour to the cup. When the measuring cup is full, level it off with the back of a knife. Do not pack or scoop the flour, as this changes the measurement. For white sugar, simply scoop and level off. For spices, scoop and level. Brown sugar is always scooped and packed into the measuring cup. Wet measuring cups are used to measure anything that levels itself off, like a liquid. When measuring milk, pour liquid into the cup and get right down to the line at eye level. For things like corn syrup, molasses, or honey, one tip is to spray the inside of the cup with a bit of oil and then measure at eye level. Your baking will turn out great every time if you use the right tools and techniques when measuring.